Hello, I'm Jesper Scharstein from LaboGene. We have now been talking a lot about our freeze dryer, how to assemble them and things like that. Today we will now try to do freeze drying of different things. And we will start freeze drying a book. So first of all, we will put it into the water and make it just wet and see if we can start to more or less destroy the book. And later on we will put it in a freezer, get it frozen, and then eventually we will put it into the freeze dryer and see if we can get it back to normal work, so we could save good documents. Hello again. 3 days later, we finished the process of freeze drying the book. As you can see, well, it's not a new book, but definitely it is readable. All pages are individual, and you can see that there is no water left inside. So it is another application for the freeze drying process. Maybe you also saw that we put in the tissue, which was actually totally wet, and it's now ready for use again. So, another way to use a freeze dryer for. Thank you very much.